Here are some inspiring ideas for a creative wooden art collection. 1. Nature-inspired sculptures. Create sculptures that mimic natural forms like trees, leaves, and animals. Use different types of wood to showcase textures and colors. 2. Functional art. Design pieces that serve a dual purpose, such as wooden wall art that also functions as shelves or coat racks. 3. Geometric designs. Explore abstract geometric shapes and patterns. Use a mix of wood types to create a striking visual contrast. 4. Storytelling panels. Craft panels that tell a story or depict a scene. Incorporate carvings and inlays to add depth and detail. 5. Wooden masks. Create a series of masks inspired by different cultures or emotions. Experiment with various finishes and embellishments. 6. Interactive art. Design pieces that viewers can interact with, such as puzzle-like sculptures or movable parts. 7. Nature's elements. Incorporate elements like stones, resin, or metal with wood to create mixed-media art pieces that reflect the natural world. 8. Kinetic sculptures. Explore movement in your designs. Create pieces that have moving parts or use balance to create dynamic shapes. 9. Personalized pieces. Offer custom pieces that reflect the personal stories or memories of individuals, incorporating significant symbols or motifs. 10. Seasonal themes. Create a collection that reflects the changing seasons, with pieces representing spring blooms, summer landscapes, autumn leaves, and winter scenes. These ideas can serve as a starting point for your wooden art collection, allowing for creativity and personal expression in your work. Creating nature-inspired sculptures involves several steps, from conceptualization to execution. Here's a guide to help you get started. Materials needed. Wood. Choose different types of wood, e.g., pine, oak, cedar, for texture and color. Tools. Saw, band saw or scroll saw, chisels, carving tools, sandpaper, wood glue, finishing products, stain, paint, varnish. Optional. Other materials like resin, metal, or stones for mixed media effects. Steps to create nature-inspired sculptures. Conceptualize your design. Draw sketches of your ideas, focusing on natural forms like trees, flowers, or animals. Consider the size and scale of your sculpture. Select your wood. Choose wood types that will enhance your design. Hardwoods offer durability, while softer woods are easier to carve. Prepare the wood. Cut your wood into manageable pieces, ensuring they fit your design. Use sandpaper to smooth rough edges. Carve the sculpture. Begin shaping your wood using chisels and carving tools. Start with larger cuts and gradually refine details. Take your time to achieve the desired texture and form. Add details. Incorporate finer details such as bark texture, leaf veins, or animal features. You can also use wood-burning tools to add intricate designs. Assemble the pieces. If your sculpture consists of multiple parts, use wood glue or screws to assemble them securely. Finish the sculpture. Sand the entire piece to ensure a smooth surface. Apply stains, paints, or varnishes to enhance the natural beauty of the wood and protect it. Display your artwork. Find a suitable location for your sculpture, whether indoors or outdoors. Consider how lighting and surroundings will affect its appearance. Tips. Experiment with different wood finishes to achieve unique effects. Take inspiration from real-life nature. Visit parks or gardens for ideas. Don't rush the process. Allow time for creativity and adjustments. By following these steps, you can create stunning nature-inspired sculptures that reflect the beauty of the natural world. Enjoy your artistic journey. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey through the world of wooden art. We hope these inspiring ideas spark your imagination and encourage you to explore your own artistic expression. Remember, whether you choose to create nature-inspired sculptures, geometric mosaics, or whimsical creatures, the possibilities are endless. Let your creativity flow, and don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques and materials. If you enjoyed this video, Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more artistic inspiration, and share your own wooden art creations in the comments below. We'd love to see what you come up with. Stay creative, and until next time, happy crafting.